Okay, so the Competition Act 2002 has been just discussed, or we have started the explanation yesterday. Are you remembering Competition Success? A Competition Act has replaced which act before? Tell me quickly. Competition Act has replaced which act? Yes, TY students, give the answer fast. Chat me. Correct. It has replaced MRTP. You are perfectly right. And I told you Raghavan committee has been appointed. It is a good question for your objective. And Parliament has passed this act in 2002. So at present we are having Competition Act. We do not have MRTP. We said goodbye to MRTP. And we were explaining this prohibition of anti-competitive agreement. What is the meaning of anti-competitive agreement? First, this act has set up Competition Commission of India. पहले MRTP जैसा था, ऐसा अभी Competition Commission of India है. And what is the duty of this commission, children? This is the main point, to promote and sustain competition in the market. I hope we have taken this point yesterday. Have we taken? Yes or no? Give the answer. Have we taken this point? Yes or no? That's my question. जब तक answer नहीं देगा, I won't proceed further. You cannot keep quiet like this. Neither you put it in the chat nor you are answering. Did we take this yesterday or not? I will wait till you give the answer. You cannot keep quiet just like that. I am not getting any answer from your side. Did we take this point or not? Why can't you say the answer? Is roll number 66? Okay, now I can see one chat. Sheikh Reshma is only telling. Others are not even remembering. I know that we have taken this point. At least we are insisting the point that Competition Commission of India, it was basically focusing to promote and sustain competition. MRTP जो competition बंद किया था, Competition Commission of India is they wanted to encourage the competition. Okay, now prohibition of anti-competitive agreement. Dekho, this only we were explaining yesterday. No enterprise, no commission, no enterprise or no association of persons shall enter into any agreement in respect of production, dekho, supply, distribution, which cause or likely to cause adverse effect on competition. Look here, anything which will go against the competition, this is the word. Competition के against जो जाना चाहिए, ऐसा activities को encourage नहीं करेगा. That means India in the, India in the wave of privatization, we are encouraging India in the wave of privatization. We are one minute. There are so many children. Ankit, I will remove you directly now. Every 1 minute. Once I remove him, half of the problem will be over. So, any act which will adversely affect the competition, such activity will not be encouraged. That means India is a land for competition. Okay, that is the meaning. Prohibition of abuse of dominant position. Children, here this is the main word. What do you mean by dominant? Dominant means powerful. Please remember, dominant means powerful. So dominant position means position of strength, which is enjoyed by an enterprises in the market, which enable us or which enable the company to operate independently of competitive forces prevailing in the relevant market. Be careful, it is not so simple. Suppose that a company is enjoying dominant position in the market. Today we are talking about Adani or we are talking about Ambani's. These are the two companies which are enjoying competitive position in the market. So that companies can work independently and nobody can stop their dominant position. Okay. And affects its competitors or consumers or relevant market in favor of in its favor. That means prohibition of abuse of dominant position, children. Again we are repeating, जो company dominant position enjoy करता है, वो position को we cannot stop it. Ultimately what we are trying for, before privatization, before 1991, we were not encouraging that much competition. That was the reason when company ka assets were more than 100 crore, it was going under MRTP. But today it is not like that. You can make 100 crore asset, you can make 1000 crore asset. When you are making huge amount of asset, you will enjoy dominant position. When you are enjoying dominant position, nobody can illegally stop your dominant position because the competitive forces will be in the market. Competition होगा market में, जिसको capable है वो आगे जाएगा. That is the meaning of Competition Act. Prohibition of abuse of dominant position. I am doubtful whether you understood it or not. First you tell me what is a dominant position, children. Dominant position का meaning क्या है? Very powerful position. That is the meaning of dominant. Naturally, a company कैसा dominant होगा? Only when the company is very capable. बाकी लोग compete करके भी उसके बाजू पर नहीं आ सकता है. वो situation में that company will become a dominant company. तो ये dominant company को हम क्या करना चाहिए? Dominant company को हम उसका position ऐसा ही देगा and वो company competition face भी करेगा, लेकिन government वो dominant position को control नहीं करेगा. Please remember that. That means we are encouraging competition to great extent. देखो. Then regulation of combinations. Yesterday I told you, what do you mean by combination, children? Combination means M and A, merger and acquisition. Take down that point. This act is not so easy. Merger and acquisition. That is the meaning of the term combination. According to this act, acquisition of one or more enterprises by one or more person. Either there can be acquisition or there can be merger. Merger is also known as amalgamation. Three words you have to remember. First word is acquisition. Second word is merger. Merger का दूसरा नाम है amalgamation. Shall be treated as combination of such enterprises in the following cases. That means this act is allowing acquisition and merger. Please try to understand, this act is allowing Acquisition and merger. Children, what do you mean by acquisition? छोटा कंपनी को बड़ा कंपनी टेक ओवर करना, that is acquisition. Example, WhatsApp has been acquired by Facebook. Okay, that is Instagram has been acquired by Facebook. This is an example. Acquisition. Merger क्या है? Two companies are merging together. दो कंपनी एक हो जाता है. That is the meaning of the term merger. So acquisition by the large enterprises, acquisition by the group, acquisition of an enterprises having similar goods, then acquiring the enterprises. So acquisition में बहुत सारा acquisitions आता है children. Large company छोटा company को acquire कर सकता है, नहीं तो group of company acquire हो जाता है. Okay, nowadays acquisition is very common. आपको मालूम है number of companies will become less. Acquire होने पर क्या होगा, जितना बड़ा कंपनीज था वो कंपनी का नंबर कम हो जाएगा. That is the meaning of it, acquisition. Okay, merger I told you, दोनों कंपनी एक हो जाएगा. That is the meaning of the term merger. So you see that बैंक का केस में चार बैंक अभी एक बैंक हो जाता है. That is known as merger. Are you remembering any one example at least? Merger का केस में, बैंक का केस में we are seeing the merger. अभी recently हुआ था.
Like Indian Bank is combined with Allahabad Bank.
Which one, my dear girl?
Our Chembur's Indian Bank is combined with Allahabad Bank.
Very good. चेंबूर मतलब all over India में, all over India में जो Indian Bank है, that has been merged with Allahabad Bank. Otherwise, you take the case of Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank, that has been merged with Union Bank. Okay, Canara Bank has, Syndicate Bank has been merged with Canara Bank. So this is very common nowadays. आज आप एक देखता है, tomorrow आप जाने पर आपको वो नहीं देख सकेगा. Because merger is happening, acquisition is happening. Acquisition का example मैं आपको बोला. Facebook has acquired WhatsApp. Facebook has acquired Instagram. What is the reason, children? एक छोटा कंपनी के जैसा WhatsApp को Facebook acquire करने का reason क्या है? Facebook को उतना ज़्यादा अभी Reliance is trying for acquiring, this one, Big Bazaar का arm. So this is very common. Acquisition is very common. Why the companies are going for acquisition, children? Companies are going for acquisition basically because company को बहुत बड़ा database मिलता है. Facebook के जैसा इतना बड़ा कंपनी, okay, एक WhatsApp के जैसा कंपनी को टेक ओवर करने का रीजन क्या है? WhatsApp में स्पेशली कंट्रीज लाइक इंडिया इतना ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स है, वो पूरा सब्सक्राइबर अभी Facebook का बेस हो जाएगा. So they are able to widen their activities. So this is very common. Vodafone and Idea, they have merged together. So what you are seeing in the corporate world, अभी का जमाने में बहुत सारा acquisition देखता है, बहुत सारा merger देखता है. Advantage क्या है? When you do acquisition, the company become big. When they go for merger, again the size will become big. So they can even become the monopoly, no problem at all. Because please remember that liberalization, privatization का speciality वही है. The companies who are rich, they will become richer. Companies who are poor, they will become poorer. This is very common. Then competition advocacy. This is the most important word. What do you mean by competition advocacy? देखो, creating a culture of competition in the market. Competition के लिए भी एक culture होना चाहिए, एक संस्कार होना चाहिए. कैसा competition होना चाहिए? It should be fair competition. Remember that. Competition should be fair. आप compete करता है करके आप market में जो unfair है वो नहीं कर सकता है. That is the meaning of advocacy. Competition advocacy means, competition advocacy का meaning क्या है children? Competition advocacy means the encouraging a culture of competition. A culture of competition. For example, आपका class में 3-4 students are studying very well, then we will say that there should be competition advocacy. What is the meaning? Sub-gen cannot become first. एक स्टूडेंट कोई फर्स्ट हो सकता है, नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट विल बिकम सेकंड, थर्ड, लाइक दैट. सो आपका बीच में अच्छा अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए एंड दैट कंपटीशन फेयर भी होना चाहिए. इसके वजह से क्या होगा, देयर विल बी ए कल्चर ऑफ कंपटीशन, especially in the corporate world. Please remember, corporate world mein it is very essential that the culture should be there. Otherwise it will lead to corporate war, it will lead to murder. ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए. American economy में it is very common. Okay, up till last year you have studied, Bill Gates was the richest person in the world. Then you have studied that Jeff Bezos, Amazon ka, CEO, he has become the richest person in the world. Then also you have seen that, what is that? That electric car company ka owner, uska naam kya hai? Elon Musk. Correct, Elon Musk. He has become richest. So this is going on happening because competition में वही होगा. Please remember that competition में आपके लिए कोई तो कोई आगे आएगा. अभी ओलंपिक्स में आपने देखा, some countries are winning gold medal, some are winning silver, some are winning bronze, some cannot even enter any of these levels. So but there should be some culture. Okay, I don't know whether young children have seen that or read it. Abhi ka Olympics, which was conducted in Japan and concluded, udhar aap dekha, I think high jump mein the two, one person from Qatar, Gulf country, other person from Italy, they have concluded their, if I am right, it is long jump. No, if I am right, they concluded at the same point, same time पर conclude किया. फिर दोनों के लिए और एक attempt दिया, वो attempt में भी same point पर complete किया. ऐसा 3 attempt दिया, तीनों में they completed in the same time. So naturally there was a tie. The Olympics authorities were finding it difficult. Then थोड़ा वो point change करके और एक item दिया, लेकिन वो 4th में participate करने के पहले one of the competent or one of the competitor का leg it got hurt. Then all the newspaper में आया, पढ़ा होगा, WhatsApp में इतना viral था, एक person का leg थोड़ा twist हो गया, so he cannot jump. So second person, if he is jumping, he is getting the gold medal. And the second person was from Qatar, first person was from Italy who got hurt. So वो Qatar का athlete, उसने जाकर वो Olympics का umpire, the umpire को पूछा, can we divide the first prize? अब देखो, can we divide? That is the competition advocacy. Can we divide the first prize? Umpire got surprised. Olympics में gold medal मिलने के लिए लोग ऐसा पागल हो जाता है. इधर एक पर्सन जाकर पूछता है, तीनों टाइम हमारा एक ही पॉइंट में आ गया, अभी दिस पर्सन गॉट हर्ट, इसलिए कैन वी डिवाइड द गोल्ड मेडल. एंड क्या हुआ, ओलंपिक्स में फर्स्ट टाइम दैट गोल्ड मेडल हैज बीन गिवन टू बोथ ऑफ द पीपल. आपको समझ में आया होगा, फर्स्ट टाइम गोल्ड मेडल 2 जन को मिला, फर्स्ट है करके. एक जन ने अटेंड नहीं किया, एक जन ने अटेंड किया, फिर भी दोनों को फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल दिया. दिस इज नोन एज कॉम्पिटिशन एडवोकेसी. ओके, दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म कॉम्पिटिशन एडवोकेसी. सो कॉम्पिटिशन एडवोकेसी में क्या होगा चिल्ड्रन, we will be creating a culture of competition. Again I am asking, did you understand this word? This is the main thing. There should be culture. अब friends होगा, कभी कभी स्टडीज में कॉम्पीट करेगा, नहीं तो स्पोर्ट्स में कॉम्पीट करेगा, लेकिन अब जो करता है देयर शुड बी सम कल्चर. एक दूसरे को पैर हर टाइम खींच नहीं सकता है, दैट इज नॉट द कल्चर. कल्चर मतलब ऑनेस्टली आपको खेलने का और अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी होने का है. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म कल्चर. कॉम्पिटिशन एक्ट प्रोवाइड्स So not only the endorsement not only enforce anti-competition laws, but also advocate a culture of competition. Same thing. It proposes to set up a fund of competition. So I am asking you, chat box mein likho, what is competition advocacy? 100% question aayega. What is competition advocacy? Likho udhar. One line. It will create dash. Competition advocacy will create dash. Okay, likho.
Culture.
What is the answer?
Culture of competition.
Very good. It will create the culture of competition. You are perfectly right. Culture of competition. You are right. Then a competition advocacy in the Competition Act in Nietzsche, this many companies will not come. This act is not applicable. It is not applicable. 1 minute. A act following cases में applicable नहीं है. Which is the first one? Public financial institution. What is the meaning? You take the case of LIC, you take the case of IDFC. These are all owned by the government. So ऐसा cases में a competition advocacy नहीं होगा. Then FII investors, foreign institutional investor को जो चाहिए वो कंपनी एक्वायर नहीं कर सकता है. उसके लिए rules are different. Similarly banks. अभी आपने जो बोला बैंक्स का जो मर्जर हुआ वो तो कंपटीशन में नहीं आता है. That is allowed by the parliament. Please remember that. The bill has been passed by parliament, then the merger has happened. It is not like that one company is taken over by the other company. Either market competition kuch nahi hai, either government is passing a resolution. Then venture capital funds. Children, this you have studied commerce too. You may be remembering. Tell me, what is venture capital? Are you aware?
मैम.
सुना नहीं?
मैम प्लीज बैंक का टॉपिक फिर से बताइए ना.
Bank. Okay. In the case of bank, what is happening? We are aware that now the banks are getting merged. No doubt. But that bank merger, it is not coming under Competition Act. What is the reason? Banks are owned by the government. So government will, put this in the parliament. Then in the parliament, lower house, it has to pass. Then it has to pass in the upper house, that is Rajya Sabha. Okay, it will pass in the upper house. ये दोनों जगह में पास होने के बाद it will come to president for signature. So in the case of bank, this is the procedure. At the same time, when WhatsApp has been taken over by Facebook, there is no need of parliamentary permission. So companies can take over other companies, there is no problem. But when it is coming to bank, when it is coming to financial institutions, then naturally the rule is different. I hope it is clear to you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Then venture capital. We were explaining about venture capital. What do you mean by venture capital? There are so many venture capital funds are existing in India or operating in India. Venture capital matlab kya hai? There are some companies. Somebody 1 minute. Ansari ko सीधा remove करने पर matter end. अभी वापस नहीं आएगा. There are so many companies who are sitting with the cash. We are talking about Indian companies as well as we are talking about the foreign institutions. They are sitting with lot of cash. So they can purchase the company. So the companies which are sitting with the cash, they are known as venture capital. For example, America se paisa collect karke, so many venture capitals are coming to India. So they will study the Indian situation and whichever company is good in India, they will purchase. Okay, so venture capital का जो purchase के वो तो Competition Act के नीचे नहीं आता है, because venture capital का policy अलग है. That is the reason. Similarly, IPR, you know that, intellectual property rights. So IPR का part है, copyrights, trademark, वो सब इसके नीचे नहीं आएगा. Either it is a direct merger of one company with other, or there is direct competition. There is direct competition and acquisition that is included under Competition Act. Please go through that. Competition Act is never an easy act. Did you understand about Competition Act, children? So just to tell me, what is the difference between MRTP and Competition Act? अभी जो prevailing है वो Competition Act है. So आप मेरे लिए बोलो, what is the difference between Competition Act and MRTP? वो बोलो. जल्दी बोलना पड़ेगा. You cannot take the whole day for that. MRTP में क्या होता था? क्या लिखा है? नहीं, venture capital is not branch capital. Absolutely not. Somebody has written there. Venture capital means it is a new companies which are sitting with cash in hand. And venture capital companies क्या करेगा? वो companies नया companies को पैसा देगा. Especially for the startup. Startup company के पास पैसा नहीं होगा, so venture capitalist startup company को पैसा देगा. That is known as venture capital. वो स्टार्टअप कंपनी को पैसा देगा. ओके, टेल मी, एमआरटीपी एंड कॉम्पिटिशन एक्ट में क्या डिफरेंस है? I will ask to somebody. Otherwise क्या करता है करके भगवान को मालूम है.
Difference between competition.
हाँ, एमआरटीपी में क्या होता था? आवाज किधर गया? नहीं तो इतने आवाज बनाएगा, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक डालेगा. अभी किधर गया आवाज? रोल नंबर 67. रोल नंबर 67. एमआरटीपी में क्या होता था? रोल नंबर 67. You put it in the chat box. I don't mind if there is a network issue. You are not giving the answer. Yes, Aman. MRTP में क्या होता था? Are you there, Aman? Aman, are you there? Answer ही नहीं देगा. Aman, are you there or not? Chat box में आया. Okay. Okay. Aman said yes. No problem. Then बोलो, MRTP में कौन सा कंपनीज आते थे? MRTP में अमन आंसर किधर है? रेशमा, एमआरटीपी में कौन सा कंपनीज आए थे? हाँ, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपनी. एग्रीड, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपनी. वो मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपनी का लिमिट कौन सा था? कितने अमाउंट के ऊपर आने पर वो कंपनी एमआरटीपी के नीचे गए थे? व्हाट वाज द लिमिट? Somebody can write it, no problem. What was the limit for the company to go under MRTP? Yesterday I told, today also I told, still not giving the answer means our Gadi will be stopped here. What was the limit of the asset of the company by which it will go to MRTP? That is my question. Not 25 crores. 25 crores beginning mein tha. I told you 100 crore, right? Abhi Reshma ne liga barabar. Beginning mein it was 25 crores, right? Now it was 100 crore. बाद में government ने क्या किया? They have abolished MRTP. Why did they abolish MRTP? Because India started following LPG. You are aware. We started following LPG. LPG means, you are aware that LPG means privatization and liberalization. उधर तो competition encourage करना ही पड़ेगा. So government has replaced MRTP and they have introduced what? Competition Act. Okay. Now the time is getting over. I will share your attendance.